And here we see Theresa May coming up on the junction of Brexit. She stopped, she's discussing with her cabinet. Her cabinet's got an idea. Yes, her cabinet is agreeing with her and carrying on. Now she's just going to make the important U-turn vote. Oh, she's having a bit of a struggle there. That's Jeremy Corbyn telling her off. And that's the DUP. And there's the SNP shouting at her. And oh, how the fuck has she done this? Oh no, she's back, she's facing the same way. We're going to leave the EU and it's going to happen as expected. Oh no, she's not reversing. And now we cut over to Brussels. And here we see Michael Barnier about to gloat over the situation. Oh yes, there it is. Oh, and no, yep, she's really stuffed it up now. She absolutely fucked it. Yeah, it seems her vote is going nowhere, and here we are stuck.